Creating AI images for your business is one way you can actually, advertise your business and get more people. On this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can very well use Capcut to actually create images for your business. So right here on Capcut, I am going to click on text to image, all right, and I will be imputing my prompts that I generated. So you can see me typing the prompt: a Nigerian lady, sitting in her office. So here I am just typing the prompt as it comes to my head, right? A Nigerian lady sitting in her office, wearing a t-shirt and a jeans, and having Grace Gracie Emporium on it. So this is just what I'm just going to all type in right now. Now you want to make sure that you actually get your prompt ready, okay, before you come on the platform, so that you don't just stay on the platform and you're thinking on what to write. So before you come on the platform, make sure that you have actually thought of what you want to actually create. All right, the kind of image you want to create, that depends on the goal for your business. So what is it that you want to do as it relates to your business? Is it about advertising the product? Is it about talking about your business? Whatever it is, then create and write out, in words what you actually want before you come on this platform to actually write out, put in your prompt here. That way it's easier and it's better for you, because you are well articulated in your prompt and you will get better image. So I just said let me say that so that you can get better image, but for me, I'm just doing this off my head right now, and we are going to see what it's going to generate for us. All right, so we are using Capcut to generate this. All right, so you can see what I have typed in. Okay, so the next thing I will be doing is to actually click on generate and see what it is going to generate for us. Okay, so let me just do some adjustments to the prompt. I said that I am actually using my head right now, so I'm just making some adjustments to the prompt, and so that I can get something better when I try to generate. Okay, so let's see what this is. I'm going to put the prompt in the description of this video, don't worry, so you can go to the description of the video and actually get the prompt if you want to use it, or you can actually generate your own prompt. Like I said, think about your business, think about the goal that you are looking at achieving, think about your customers, your audience, then you want to come and create your own image, all right, using the goal that you are looking at achieving. So I have clicked on generate, and it is about generating the image that I am actually looking for. So let's see what it is going to generate. All right, so it is at this time I want you to subscribe if you have not joined this family already. Like this video, okay, and also give it a thumb up if you are getting value on this. So guys, you can actually see the image that it has been able to generate. Is this not amazing? All right, so I asked it to put in Gracie Global, Gracie Beats Emporium CEO and all of that, in as much as it did not very well give me the exact thing that I want. I think I am going to do some adjustment to this prompt so that I can generate another image again and see if I can get better. So whenever you try to generate images and it seems like you are not getting what you want, you can very well just edit the prompt that you have entered. Try to fine tune the prompt, okay, just like I am doing right now, trying to fine tune the prompt, make it so that it can make better sense. Okay, and after you have fine-tuned the prompt, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on regenerate and see what it's going to give you. So I'll be fine-tuning the prompt. You can see I'm just typing, making some adjustments, and after which I'm going to click on generate and see what it's going to give me. If it's going to give me something better, like I said earlier, make sure you do this before you actually come to the platform, so that you are not just here thinking what to type and the kind of prompt or image you want to create. If you have done this before, now you can get better results, right? So let's just see. I have edited and see what I am going to create again. All right, so let's give it time. Hope you have subscribed already, hope you have liked this video, and hoped you have taking the link so that you will go and share it with your friends. So this is another image that it has been able to generate, but this time around I think this is better because I have my name on it, right? And the background, like I said, is having gift a beads emporium, even though the spellings are not too accurate, but then this is better than the first one that we are able to generate. So you just need to be creative about your prompt. The more creative you are with your prompt, the better the images that you will be generating. All right, so I will really want to see you generate your own images. So go on in the comments and let me know that you have generated your image, and if it's possible, leave a link there so that I can very well check out your image. And if you have any issues with it, let me know in the comments and I will do well to give answers to that. All right, so I am just trying to check out the images very well. Let me see how well it is, okay, before I download. So this is how the image is right now, and the next thing I want to do is to actually go on to download it if I am satisfied with the images that I am getting. And if not, again, you can very well generate more images, but let's make do with this one since I don't want this video to be long. Another app that you can actually use to create AI images right now is the Bing.com. Yes, with the Bing Microsoft app, you can very well create another image with your smartphone. So here we are, guys, on the Bing. What you want to do is register with an email or with your Google account, or if you have the Microsoft email, then you want to add that to it. So once you register, it will bring you to this part where it's going to ask you to put in your prompt and you will start generating your image. One thing you want to know is that when you come on Bing gives you opportunity to have 15 credits for you to create an image with on a daily basis. For me, what you can see here is I have about 10 because I have been using the app since today to actually create images for my business. So let's get into it. I'm going to put in my prompt right now and it's going to generate what I want it to generate. So the prompt I'll be using, because I am a catering or I bake cakes, right? So I'm going to use something like for the cake business. Okay, so I'm going to put in a black Nigerian girl or lady, okay, in a kitchen wearing an apron with a text, okay, written Gracie Cakes, holding a cake in the hand. So that is something that I am going to type right now. So just watch me as I type that into it, right? A black Nigerian girl or lady, that is wearing an apron with a text written on the apron, Gracie Cakes, and holding a cake in the hand. This is just to advertise my cake business and get people to maybe call me or book order for their birthday cakes or for their anniversary cake or whatever they would be needing cake for. So you can very well use any of these images to actually advertise your product or also talk about your business. All right, so this is me just typing in the text into the prompt section, and I will generate my image. This is the part where I'll ask you to don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Join the family by subscribing, like this video, and please take the link and share on your WhatsApp status. Also share on your stories, Instagram, Facebook, so that more people can actually come watch this video and get value from it just like you did, right? So don't forget to let me know in the comments that you have created your own image, and also you can link me to your image so that I would very well go check out your image. You can send me a WhatsApp message to actually know about your image. You can see that in the description of this video. Don't also forget to check this video, my channel out, so that you can see other videos that I have created on money making skills, how to get customers, everything business and business growth, and making money in your life. So here we are with my prompt ready, and I am ready to start creating the image. So I have clicked create, and it's going to start creating immediately, and you will very well see the image that it has created, or it will create. Okay. So there we have it, guys. Here is my image, like simple as ABC. Beautiful image, all generated like I don't know what to say. So just like I asked it to create for me, that is exactly what it did. Even if the spellings, have some errors, which you can actually, work on if you know how to, by the way, right? You can just change, the letters. I think it had some letter issues, right? So that's why you want to make sure that when you're entering your prompt, you're making sure that your letters are well spelled out so that it can actually take in the right images, the right letters in your prompt. So you can see the image that I'm able to generate with just this prompt. You can see it advertising my cake business with my name on it. So what you want to do next is to actually download the image, any of the image that you like. You want to download it and also save it so that you can use it on your social media account, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can do most of these images that I create. I actually use it for my thumbnails, just like the thumbnail you saw right on this video before you clicked to watch. So you can actually use it for every and anything. All right, guys, without making this video so long again, I'm going to end it here. Let me know in the comments if you actually created your own image. I want to see your image. Send me a WhatsApp message so that I can get the link to actually go see your image and actually give you a thumbs